And then you have to do it. And then you have to do it again. Yeah. All right, folks. We're talking about hair unit restoration. Well, it's for men, obviously, and it's gaining attention worldwide, I'm told. But what about here in Jamaica? Well, Cristoffe Laoe. So it pronounced?
Laoe.
Laoe. I got it. He's here to tell us how it works and whether local people, or well, men, are jumping on board. Morning, brother. How on? All is well?
Yeah, man. All is well.
So you could have just fix up this little patch for me, no?
Easy.
What we're talking about here now? What we're talking about?
All right. So, over the years, men struggle with a thing called male pattern baldness. It's for most of it, it's genetical. It comes with age as well. And I have clients who struggle with it, even young guys like 18 to 20.
Jody said Chris.
Yes. Early years.
Yeah.
And so with one day a client come to me with a recession. His hairline is very much receded, and he asked me to use, I normally use like an enhancement, like the spray thing, that's something that's in high demand now in the barbering industry.
What?
It's like a dye. It's spray on the hairline to give it that sharp effect. Yeah, so it's an enhancement. It's like when female use makeup. It make them look pretty sharper. So like for male, we normally use the enhancement. So. And
how long would that last?
The enhancement, you have some that don't last very long, like probably a day or so.
Oh, okay.
Mine will last you up to a week or more.
All right, but
that depends.
But that's not what we're talking about this morning.
Yes. Huh? So no.
Okay.
We are talking about hairline restoration. It's temporary, but it lasts longer.
And what is longer? 2 weeks, month, 3 months, years?
A month to 3 months. And you have two types of hair unit. Hair unit is the full head unit. So guys with the middle gone, some man with the whole middle gone, so they bald the head. For those men, we use a full hair unit. So we have a reusable one and a non-reusable one.
Okay, so what you doing this morning?
This one is the non-reusable one, but we are working on the hairline today.
On the hairline, all right. Let's go. Tell me what you do. Talk me through it while you are doing it.
So
this is Chris, by the way, the big singer.
Hey, Chris!
So it's two Chris we have.
We apply, we clean it up first with alcohol-based solution.
Yeah. And you did that already?
Yeah, this is a scalp protector.
Okay.
And we put
You're protecting the scalp from what, please?
From, the adhesive. The adhesive may be too harsh. Some people have sensitive skin and things like that.
So you're not using Gorilla Glue?
No.
Okay, we just want to make sure
so
we don't have to chip it off.
Yeah. Well, if it's Gorilla Glue, it might last longer than 3 to 5 months.
Forever?
Yeah.
All right, so you've done that, the preparation?
Yes,
okay.
And after that, we put on 3 layers of glue.
Oh.
And this glue is ghost bond, because you know the name ghost bond, after you put it on, it clears up, so you don't really see it.
Okay.
You don't want anybody walking around and somebody saying, all right, we can recognize that him have glue in his head. So it look natural after we finish.
All right, next move.
And so 3 layers of that, and after we put on the glue, we put the hair on. So I already add the glue on. So with the hair now, we can actually...
Who's here that, by the way?
Well, the hair, we get the hair from any beauty supply.
Okay, all right. We know so
I
think it was Chris
African hair. Yeah.
What name?
You asked for the African type hair, so the Afro.
Miss Appleton, me here. Go on now, make us see what you do.
Yeah, so what we do, we comb it out,
yeah?
So we don't have a lot of wave in it.
Work. We soon work.
And this is how we apply it to the scalp. And we squeeze it on with the glue so it stays. Use this.
You can't just leave it so.
I mean, yeah. No. Sometimes.
Chris said no.
Sometimes I tell clients that we can leave it like that. Yeah, because sometimes you have to be different. You rock a different style, don't you?
Yeah, not too different.
Chris said not too different.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we use the tracks right across.
Oh.
Right across.
But don't you have to do this put this on the whole I'm here?
Not all of it. it all depends on where the person have the recession. So, like for him now, we're doing the hairline, but if it's a case where we want to do the full unit, like in the middle here, you know, there's
No, but I'm just suggesting that if you just do the front, you're not going to look weird at the front and everything else.
After we put this on, we are going to trim it down.
All right.
So it looks neat and uniform.
Without it being trimmed? No.
So, some around you know the thing.
I know this thing.
Yep.
High top. You know about this one?
What the glue name again?
Ghost band.
Ghost
Band, yes. It's not the only glue that can be used.
But you can't use just regular glue.
No.
So just yeah. Well, so you call another name.
Patex.
So after putting on the hair, what I usually do is I tie it down with a do-rag and let the glue dry for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
That makes sense.
Let the glue dry properly.
Is he okay? Yeah?
Chris, between me and you, you're not looking any more handsome. Truth be told.
Wow, thank you.
So after putting on the hair, what I do, put on the do-rag and squeeze it down and tie it.
So that would be that's the only thing you would do because you're just doing the front, right?
Yes.
So you wouldn't put hair anywhere else?
No.
Okay.
When doing the front, this is the only thing we do. Doing the back, if we do in the whole middle, we would have to clean off whatever hair is left, prepare it with the scalp protector and the...
So after it dry, you can wash him here and all kind of thing, or no?
I don't recommend washing it
So
with
how long it
shampoo, but you can clean it with dry shampoo. So you have dry shampoo, you can spray on it. Dry shampoo lift the dirt, get rid of the smell and things like that. And you use a damp cloth to wipe.
So how long this would last?
So the hairline thing now, it can last up to a month. So I said 2 weeks to a month.
So every month you have to come back and do this again?
Yes, and when you come back, I do it at a reduced cost. So the hairline thing, the starting price would be like $15,000.
Yeah.
But when you return, you pay less.
So you don't know?
No, I'll have to clean it up. So when cleaning it, we use like a machine or your scissors. Yes, and you take off the excess. Like that. So it never have hair for trim before. Now it have hair for trim. Yeah. So,
boy. Take my thing that joke.
yes. And you cut it down low to match back with his height.
Actually, this look natural almost.
Yes.
All right, Chris?
Well, it must be all right. We're not kill him.
That's really good, Chris.
Thank you.
How long the glue take to dry?
The glue will take like about half hour.
Oh.
Half hour, yes. So we have to make the glue dry properly. Sometimes to speed it up, I'll use like the blow dryer. Yeah, to speed it.
Christian, no answer and thing now run him down because him have glue in his
No. It's not sweet. Probably if we add some honey to it, it might go fret.
Chris, turn around because it's up. Turn to me. You know, it actually look natural. It actually does look natural. Yeah. No, because if it's just 1 month, we cannot go back to Chris every month.
Well, it's reinstalled at a reduced cost, so
Hold on, soldier.
it will be.
Kyle sent me this picture. This is Ronaldo. When you look for this, him suggested that is so Chris look.
Hey, Kyle, watch me, yo.
And so
One of the biggest ballers in the world. That's the Brazilian Ronaldo.
what we would do, Neville, after doing that,
Yeah.
we to blend it in now so him don't look so much like Ronaldo. we use a thing named hair fiber.
Which does what?
So what the hair fiber does is it blends back his natural hair with
You have to do it quickly.
hair
Show
unit.
us. You have to do it
So
quickly. Show.
you spray this is the holding spray. Add the holding spray to the scalp.
What you mean by holding spray now?
The holding spray is like a glue-based liquid. Yeah. So we use this is real hair fiber. It's natural hair. And we spray it on like that onto the head. So it blends back natural like his hair.
Actually, that look good.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's magic.
So you won't
Cristobal,
be
that
able.
look good.
No one would see and can actually pick out the difference.
No, Cristobal, that make me like that. I was going to say, Chris, actually, I look handsome, but I'm not sure.
You couldn't say so?
Spray some in your head, something.
No, Cristobal, no, you come for the bread. I don't listen to me.
Not you.
No. Cristobal, me like this. Me like this.
Yep.
Me like this. And what you said, this is what? Real
Hair fiber.
hair fiber.
Hair fiber.
That's excellent. That is excellent. Where can you be found, sir, quickly?
Shop 4 Nazareth Palms Plaza, Brayton Parkway. That's close to the CIBC Bank and the Fontana Pharmacy in Portmore.
All right, I want to see a before and an after now. Let's look at this. Chris, what do you think? Look straight, Chris. Yeah. No, look straight. So, we just want to see the before and after. Cristobal, I like it.
Very much. Thank you.
I like it, Cristobal. So, finally, now, how you say, how often would you have to do this?
All right. So, how long it lasts really depends on how well the client care it. So, I know people who let something like this last for like 3 months,
Okay.
4 months, and you have some people live a more active lifestyle. So they'll come back like 2 weeks. Some come back for touch-up like.
Does it come out little by little or no?
It can come out little by little. Sometimes it don't come out at all. You are the one who have to take it off because you know it might smell.
And it can
because
comb and all kind of thing?
No, I
It
don't
can't
recommend combing it. Your height, with the height of your hair, you can comb it because we do it for.
But
that
him not
height.
have no hair for comb?
No,
So him do just brush it?
no. It
So what him do?
tight down with the do-rag. You don't need to brush it. Once you tie it down with the do-rag, it will stay in place.
Hold on, look at my head back. Come on, wait there.
Yes, we have a solution for that.
No, me good. Me all right. Me all right. Cristoffe, pronounce the last one?
Laoe.
What is Laoe? So check him out. Chris, thanks. You're a
Nice, Chris,
good sport.
nice.
You know, as after the your name Ronaldo, we soon come back.
I need to see that picture first.
Roll out when we come back. Ronaldo is this.